Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make an incredible paper airplane called the Plasma Y. If you're looking for a paper plane that is easy to build, looks amazing, and glides smoothly through the air, then you're going to love this design. One of the best things about this airplane is its wide wings and strong locking structure. These features help keep the plane balanced during flight, allowing it to travel farther with excellent stability. Whether you're flying indoors or outside on a calm day, this design performs really well. To get started, you'll only need one sheet of letter size or A4 paper. Regular printer paper works perfectly, but if you have slightly thicker paper, your airplane may feel stronger and last longer after repeated flights. Let's begin the folding process. First, fold the paper in half lengthwise to create a center crease. Press the fold firmly, then unfold the paper. This center line will guide almost every fold we make from this point on. Next, fold the two top corners toward the center crease. Make sure both sides are perfectly even because good symmetry is the key to a great flying paper airplane. Now fold the top point downward to create a small reference crease. Once you've made the crease, unfold it again. We'll use this guide to shape the nose of the airplane in the next few steps. Carefully fold the paper inward using the crease lines you've already created. Take your time here and line up the edges as accurately as possible. Sharp, clean folds always produce better results. If you notice the paper becoming uneven or slightly raised, simply flatten it with your fingers before moving on. Now bring both upper edges back toward the center line once again. At this stage, the body of the airplane should start looking narrow, clean, and aerodynamic. The next fold is the most interesting part of this design. Open the small pocket you've created and gently reshape the paper by making a new crease. Work slowly and let the paper move naturally instead of forcing it. Once the new crease is finished, the body of the airplane will become much stronger. Repeat the exact same folding process on the opposite side. Try to keep both sides identical so the airplane stays balanced during flight. After that, tuck the small flap underneath the outer layer to lock everything securely into place. This locking mechanism helps prevent the airplane from coming apart while flying. Now fold the entire airplane in half along the original center crease. It's time to make the wings. Starting from the nose, fold one wing downward at a smooth angle. Before making the crease, check that the wing lines up evenly with the back of the airplane. Once you're happy with the position, press the fold firmly. Turn the airplane over and fold the second wing so it perfectly matches the first one. Matching wings are essential for a straight and stable flight. Open both wings carefully and your Plasma Y paper airplane is almost complete. For the best performance, bend the wings slightly upward. This small adjustment improves the airplane's stability and helps it recover if it begins to tilt during flight. Don't bend them too much, just a slight upward angle is enough. Now it's time for the fun part. Hold the airplane gently near the center and give it a smooth, level throw. You don't need to throw it hard. A controlled launch usually gives the best glide. If the airplane dives or turns to one side, make tiny adjustments to the wings until it flies the way you want. That's it. Your Plasma Y paper airplane is ready for flight. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new paper airplane design. Thank you so much for watching. Have fun building, keep practicing your folding skills, and I'll see you in the next video.